welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the TANOLOGIST Tan Mousse. This one is in the shade Extra Dark, so this is the newest one out of the range. I've never actually tried this one before, hence the first impressions. I have tried the Tan Water, the Tan Mousse, the Tan Drops, the Instaglow. I think I've pretty much tried the whole range and I absolutely love it, but this is the first time trying the dark one, and I've got to say I am so happy with the results. I will add a clip in of my before and after so you can actually see the difference. You can't really see my tan right now, but this is how dark I've gone. Now I usually use the dark in the normal tan range and it usually does go quite dark on me, but this is like another level. Like, this colour is unreal. Like, it doesn't look like it's gone orangey at all either. It's gone like a really nice tan. This is the only tan out of the whole range that does go on tanned, if that makes sense. The rest of them are all clear. This one's actually got a base colour. So this, I think, is sometimes a little easier for people to apply because they can see exactly where they've put it on. I found the tan water really easy, but this is obviously a little bit easier. For smell, this just smells exactly the same as the rest of the tan range, which is like a really nice floral smell. Yeah, so I'm going to add in a little clip of how I applied the tan. I do just use this little tan mitt, which is from Be Perfect. This is just like a really soft black one. I do use one side for applying the tan on, and then I use the other side of it. I keep one side dry. I just use that side for kind of buffing it in a little bit. Morning, stuck it on straight after I got in the shower. I had it on for 6 hours and then I've just washed it off, came out of the shower, and this is the colour that it turned. I am obsessed with this. Like, I've never actually been this dark of a tan before. I'm so happy with the colour of it. It looks unreal. You can literally get results of this after an hour, so you can leave on for an hour, or you can leave it on up to 4, or you can just leave it on overnight if you want to do it on a night time and then wash it off in the morning. So I have done videos on this channel using the tan water in dark, and I've used the face and body drops in dark. I will leave them linked down below if you would like to go and check them out, just in case you're interested in trying out anything else in the range. And I also did do an Instagram TV on TANOLOGIST page on the tan mousse in dark a while back, so you could go check that out also. Now I'm just going to insert a little clip of my before and after, just so you can actually see the difference. Like, you can see here that this is dark, but you'll be able to see on my before clip that I am like so pale. So yeah, very happy with this colour. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Also, if you have any video recommendations, please leave them down in the comments because I would love to recreate some videos that have been suggested. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.